Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all, guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most amazing and very useful ideas for your home garden decoration. So guys, you use your old things into new with these DIY images. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. So viewers, if you like this video, then you click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. Guys, these are super stunning and very classy wall hanging ideas for your home decor. You guys use your old crockery into new. You use your damaged tins, damaged teapots, damaged different things, then you use those things into new and you guys decorate your gardens. So viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Always take care and remember me in your prayers. These are super stunning and very beautiful ideas for you guys. Take care and keep supporting my channel. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz, guys.